First, A. Do you like Asia? B. Yes, but only on television. Usually. A. That is a very special pronunciation machine. Second, I thought April the 12th was a Tuesday, but it's a Thursday. A. Can I have one of those, please? B. This? C. No. The outdoors. Over there. 3. 1. Summer in the city. 2. Have you seen my glasses? 3. What time does the zoo close? 4. A. My favorite music is jazz. 4. 1. We're leaving at 5 past 7. 2. A visa for a 7-day visit. 3. Stefan lives in a village. 4. The 14th of February. 5. When I asked for her autograph, she just laughed.